Cool. Are you comfortable?
Yep. And I'm drinking flashlight.
Okay, well, I'm going to give myself a shove off. Woohoo! Here we go. And they're probably wondering if I'm wearing a life preserver. Yep, I am. Very important to have a life preserver in any boat. I don't care how good you are, a swimmer. So, there's a swing. There's the shore. So, this is fun. Okay, let me paddle a little bit.
Okay, I'll just off.
Yeah, you gotta keep it really dry. The camera. Okay. Watch what you're filming. You are the camera guy. I want to go along up over here and see.
So you're paddling? Are we gonna paddle over there? I like this lake. But it's a little bit too bad, right? We can't swim in it, right?
Yeah. Well, right now it's got a green blue algae in it. And so we're not swimming in it. We're just
Paddling.
paddling. This place
I
is
bet we could catch lots of fish over here, right, Dad?
lots of turtles in this lake. Quite a few turtles. Yeah.
Yep. There he is.
Hey,
See, he has
hey, hey, nah, nah. You gotta sing something when you're paddling.
Okay, okay.
Great voyageurs.
Want me to sing a song?
Je parle français, so I can't really sing. I know French. I know a French song.
We're so
Tous
bad.
les garçons, c'est la fille de maintenant, c'est la balle, la doodly-doo. That's all I know. That's one.
Look at those dragonfly right there. Let's see if I can grab this.
Coming through the bulrushes.
No. So I'm gonna get my more, you guys, right? See, oh.
It's quite the little boat here.
Oh, I think I got one. Oh. Got one. Oh, went off.
Okay. And that's awesome, Brock, brother. So we're in the water, and we're gonna paddle up here and back down, and check out the boat again. Thank you for watching.